the Grill Armor Gloves. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Grill Armor Gloves. These gloves are perfect for the kitchen and when grilling. They will ensure that you can handle hot temperatures safely. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The Grill Armor Gloves can handle hot objects on the grill, oven, and microwaves, from hot pans to food in boiling water and frozen objects as well. These gloves are heat resistant up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. They are waterproof and can be hand washed easily for cleaning. It comes with a right and left hand glove and a standard one size fits all. The outside is a latex material. The fingers have a rough, grippy feel to it, and towards the top, it's smooth. You can see the Grill Armor branding on the top. The inside material is made from aramid, similar to Kevlar, cotton, and polyester. It has a nice soft feel to it. It also has a hanging loop for easy storage. The other glove is the same as well. As mentioned earlier, these are heat resistant up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, waterproof, and can be hand washed for cleaning. The gloves are one size fits all. It's about 12 inches long and roughly about 5 inches wide. So let's see how it does in the kitchen. Here I have an iron skillet that has been heated. The handle gets very hot. As you can see, the Grill Armor gloves can handle it with ease and safely. And handling food out of the oven is simple and easy as well. The Grill Armor Oven Gloves. It does the job from handling the hottest tasks in the kitchen and when grilling. It's a versatile glove that can get a lot of use. The extreme high temperatures it can handle, along with the waterproof feature, makes this a must-have in my opinion around the house. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.